My name is Ahmad Joudeh. I am a dancer from Syria. Being a dancer in Syria is something very difficult because being a dancer as a man is something to be ashamed of in Syria. So I faced many difficulties to achieve my dream of being international professional dancer. When I was in Syria, I was facing many troubles. Started with my family because my father didn't like the idea that I'm a dancer. And then after the war starts, of course, in Syria, ISIS came to the country, and that was very difficult for me and for all the artists who lives in Syria. Because art is against ISIS' mind, and they were following us, and personally they were threatening me, and they were like sending me messages on Facebook or on my phone. They want to cut my head. And then I got a tattoo on my neck, Dance or Die, the place where they cut the head. Because I carry my life on my neck, or I live the way I want, or I die. I had to face in my own way, I had to fight in my own way. Because a country without culture and art, why are we fighting for then? So I had to do my duty of keeping art and culture alive in a country full of death. Beside that, I was teaching dance for children in the SOS villages, and all the children who are there, most of them, they saw their parents being killed in front of them. And for me, teaching them dance, it means teaching them how to be strong, how to build strong personality, and how to face these difficulties in life. Luckily, I was found by a Dutch journalist who found me on internet, and he came to Syria to make a documentary about me. And then the Dutch National Ballet, they saw this documentary and they brought me to Europe. And now I'm dancing internationally, sharing my art and sharing my culture with people in Europe to show that in Syria we have beautiful culture. It's not only war. We have art, we have ballet, we have music, we have many things in common. During my journey, I ended up visiting this beautiful city here in Malta, and I feel super lucky to be here. Like, it's a really magical city where I could enjoy the weather. And people are very open and very warm, and it's really beautiful. It feels like home. So I'm very happy to be here, and I'm glad I have the opportunity to share my message with you here. Grazie, Malta.